Are viruses living organisms or not? This question remains controversial. Some people consider them to be a life form, while others see them as just a complex of organic molecules. Let's figure it out. To begin with, we need to define what the word life means for us. From a scientific point of view, life means one or more cells capable of metabolism, energy production, growth, evolution, and reproduction. Living organisms also react to external stimuli such as light. All life on our planet comes from three major life sources: bacteria, archaea, and eukaryotes. By the way, eukaryotes is what we originate from. But viruses don't belong to any of these categories. So maybe they are indeed just a group of organic molecules? Not exactly. Viruses are similar to the living organisms we know by having a set of genes and evolving through natural selection. Viruses are capable to replicate using for this metabolism of the host cell its biological materials and energy. But this kind of reproduction is more like a conveyor line assembly, rather than fully fledged generation of a new organism. DNA or RNA are assembled separately from the protein shell. Then the former is packed into the latter, and the virus leaves the cell. At the same time, viruses are deprived of some key organism features. They don't have their own metabolism, do not consume or emit anything. They don't maintain constant interval environment, and don't produce energy. Viruses don't have a cellular structure typical for all organisms on the planet, and don't strive to grow. They can't exist on their own and don't show any signs of life, as long as they are outside the host cell. However, the fact that all viruses share common features such as their structure and reproduction methods suggests their common origin. This allows to assume that viruses can be the fourth domain of life along with bacteria, archaea, and eukaryotes.